Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the Ordinary skincare products. The Ordinary is a skincare line by a Canadian company, Deciem. The Ordinary call themselves the Abnormal Beauty Company because they have changed people's perspective about the skincare. They sell their products without any fancy product names. Their products look like they have just come out of a lab with basic formula names. Also, the packaging is very simple with white labeling, and due to this, the prices are very affordable and you get what you want in the most simplest manner. They mainly rely on social media for promoting and selling their products. In Pakistan, The Ordinary was introduced in September 2019. The Ordinary has become world famous, so I thought why not we should try some of their products and see how good they are. Their official website is theordinary.pk, which I'll mention in the description, so you can buy things from there if you want. But we haven't ordered it from their website directly. We ordered these items from the website Odor. Odor is actually an e-commerce website who has partnership with different brands and offer discounts and deals on different products. So we have ordered it from Odor. Odor has also its head office in Lahore, and they also have an outlet over there. But since we have ordered from Karachi, so we ordered it online. The service we found really good and fast and got the products in 3 to 4 working days. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Before we start our video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below which kind of videos you would like to watch on this channel. It came with a cute little thank you note and it says be timeless. The products are actually really safely packed. So now let's open this one and take the products out. And we have ordered two products, the one which is niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum, and the other is AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. Both of these products are the popular products of The Ordinary. You can see the packaging of both of these are really cute and really simple. Just white label packaging, no fancy names, just written niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. And this is the box. On the side it's written the Abnormal Beauty Company, as we discussed previously. And on the back side of it, the directions and ingredients are mentioned. So the second product is AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution, and again the same packaging, the same box, and on the side the ingredient list and some directions and other things are mentioned. Both of these are 30 ml bottles, and the prices of each of them I'll mention in the video for you. All of their products are made in Canada, and it is also written on the box as well. So let's open the first one and see how is it like. Let's talk about the AHA and BHA peeling solution first. It says on the front that it is a 10-minute exfoliating facial, and it mentions the pH level it works on is 3.6, which is quite low, and it is actually a chemical exfoliant to clear your dead skin and make your skin bright, shiny and fresh. So this is how the bottle looks like. It has a dropper cap, and it's a glass bottle with matte and frozen kind of effect to it. The liquid inside is bright and dark red in color. So let's check its consistency. It has 30% AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acids, which include lactic acids, glycolic acids, tartaric acids, and citric acid, and 2% BHA, beta hydroxy acid, which is a salicylic acid. It is also an exfoliating agent, and it is stronger than AHA, therefore less concentration. Since it's a strong exfoliating solution, it may increase the skin sensitivity. I really love the bottle and the packaging. Although it's simple, but I really love it. It's so adorable. And this is how the consistency is. It's a serum like consistency. It's neither very runny and watery, nor it's very oily. but it's a little bit sticky. This is how you can apply it. It's very easy to apply. It has a dropper in it, so it won't be a messy or hard to apply. So you just have to use a dropper. The directions to use it are on the box as well. So you should apply it on the clean face and neck area. Make sure the skin is dry. Do not rub it into the skin, just spread it gently on the face and leave it for 10 minutes, and then just rinse it with some water, and it will induce a tingling sensation when applied. And do not leave it on the skin for more than 10 minutes. Please be very careful when using this, and avoid any kind of eye contact. This should be used twice a week and not every day, because it's a very strong solution and exfoliating agent. The second product which we have bought is the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1% serum. This is the best product for people with oily skin. The niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 and it is effective in reducing the oiliness of the skin, and it also balances the oil producing in the skin. It regulates the sebum and it's an active ingredient, so it can be a little bit irritating to the skin. So be careful with the sensitive skin. It also minimizes the pores, which again controls the oiliness of the skin. Its bottle again is very cute and glass bottle with the same frozen matte kind of effect. So this product liquid is white in color. Now let's check its consistency. It again has a dropper with bottle, and the directions to use are written on the back side. So let's open it. It again has a dropper, so you have to apply it like a serum. Its consistency is again serum like, nor very watery nor very oily, and a little bit sticky but not much. The previous one was more sticky. Since it's an active ingredient, so you should use it before a moisturizer or other creams, and it can be used during the day and night or both, but avoid using it immediately after exfoliating your skin, because then it can be itchy and burning on the skin. You can see how it sits on the skin. This product is a really amazing solution for the oily skin people, because it controls the oiliness of your skin. Niacinamide is also beneficial for the acne prone skin, and to control acne you can also use niacinamide, so it's good for acne prone skin. Both of these products are fragrance free and great. They provide promising results, especially the AHA and BHA peeling solution is my favorite because it actually works. I've used it and it leaves my skin very soft and clean, and removes all the dead cells. But I did not see prominent results from the niacinamide serum. Maybe it needs more time to work its magic on your skin. But it's a very lovable ingredient in the skincare industry. So you guys, that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and let me know what is your experience with these products. Thanks for watching. Bye.